Understanding patrols in the area, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and very practical phrase you might come across in news reports, movies, or even signs. Patrols in the area. This phrase is not just about police or security. It's a window into how English speakers describe safety and surveillance activities. Let's break it down together, ensuring you can understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations and comprehension. At its core, the word patrols refers to the act of walking or moving around an area at regular intervals to keep watch over it. It's a plural noun here, indicating more than one group or instance of patrolling. Patrolling can be done by various entities, such as police officers, security guards, or military personnel, and it's aimed at maintaining safety, order, and security. The phrase, "in the area," adds an important spatial context to patrols. It tells us that these activities are not happening just anywhere but within a specific, often localized region. This could be a neighborhood, a shopping center, a border area, or any place where surveillance and monitoring are deemed necessary. When we combine these elements into patrols in the area, we're talking about organized efforts to monitor and secure a specific location. This phrase often implies a response to specific concerns such as crime, unauthorized entry, or potential threats. It's a way of reassuring the public or informing them that measures are in place to maintain peace and safety. Understanding this phrase is incredibly useful, especially in contexts like news reports. You might hear about police patrols in the area, following incidents to ensure public safety. Travel advisories. Notices might mention patrols in the area to assure tourists of their security in a new city or country. Community notices. Local communities may organize neighborhood patrols in the area to watch out for each other's properties and safety. We hope this exploration of patrols in the area has helped you grasp not just the meaning of the phrase but also its implications and uses in various contexts. Understanding such phrases enriches your English comprehension and enables you to engage more deeply with the language and its nuances. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.